1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna give her 1.5 right. Prep her in on 1. Left hand turns. Right hand hammer locks. We go 2, 3. We're gonna turn to the right. 5. Back charge. 6, 7. We're gonna let go of the left hand and do a Copa with the right hand. 1. Bring it forward. 2. Turn around. 3 over the head. Now we're gonna grab the shoulder on 5 and do a salsa step on 6, 7. So on 1, I'm going to bring her to the left and prep her 1. So now I'm going to be pushing with the right hand to turn her to the left on 2, 3. I'm going to grab the arms on 5. I'm going to allow her to cross in front as I pull her back 6, 7. Now on 1, I'm going to push through the arm to turn her to the right as we turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2, 3. He's gonna stop us on 5, 6, 7. We're gonna prep. Now we're gonna turn halfway to the right and prep again on 1. Turn to the left on 2, 3, 5. He's going to stop us. We're going to cross in front on 6. Go back on 7. Now we're going to start turning to the right on 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 5, 6, 7. Cross body knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.